Quick update on my 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK250 Bluetec. I have just started noticing a little bit of a squeak coming from this area. I'm guessing that's like an idler pulley or something maybe. I actually have all the parts to do that. At one point I thought the water pump was leaking. After I changed the fluid, that level dropped a little bit, but it hasn't dropped since then. So I've been keeping an eye on that. I was going to do all that at once. I have like all the tensioners and idler pulleys and whatever. But it sounded like I may need to go ahead and replace the belt and the pulleys and stuff. I may or may not do the water pump while I'm in there, but really it hasn't exhibited any signs of being an issue, so I may just leave that alone. But I know the pulleys can seize eventually, so I definitely don't want anything like that to happen. I think the squeaking will get a little bit worse before it really becomes critical. It's actually quieting down as it warms up. So this car now has just over 160,000 miles on it. And I believe all that's original down in there. So I mean, it's probably way overdue for just regular maintenance anyway. So for those of you who are interested, I thought I would just give that quick update.